All right, Reagan family. So we are looking at this beautiful Perry Homes property right here in the community of Amira. So this is the model house. This is the 3257W plan. And if you recall on Perry Homes, that is actually the square footage as well. So this particular model is not available just yet to build in this community, but in a community nearby called Jubilee, you can build this exact plan, and they will have more lots available in Amira around August timeframe for the 60-foot product, which is this is situated on, and you can build then. So looking at the exterior, you are going to have the beautiful brick with the stone as well. And there are different exteriors. They usually call them elevations that you can choose from if you don't like this one. But I absolutely love this one. It looks extremely modern. You have like these shutters right there on the windows, adding some more appeal. And going into the covered front porch, you are going to have this beautiful glass pane front door. And let's go ahead and take a look at the foyer. So this is going to be the foyer right here. If you notice, you do have the tray ceilings on top on both sides right there. Not to mention, immediately you are going to be greeted on the right side with the formal dining room as well as a study. So we'll start right here in the formal dining room. You do have this beautiful candlelight chandelier right over your dining room table. You have the accent wall right there as well, almost like this stone or brick accent wall, which is unique. And keep in mind, folks, this is the model house. So one of the things with the model houses is they do dress it up extremely well. Sometimes you may think it's overkill. You don't need all that, but it really just can show what the product would actually look like. So right here to the left, you are going to have the study. You do have the built-in shelving over there as well with a built-in desk. Not to mention, you do have the glass pane French doors as well. And inside of here, even if you didn't have this built-in desk right here, you could still easily fit a nice sized desk comfortably inside of here. Maybe you can add a closet right there, just depending on your personal preference. But you definitely have enough space inside of here that you don't feel claustrophobic whatsoever, which is fantastic. And here you can obviously add in the LED ceiling fan if you needed to, maybe recessed lighting, just depending on your personal preference. So continuing along, this is going to be the continuation of the foyer. Right here is going to be your coat closet, which is perfect for the guests coming in. And then going to the left, we're going to go to the first bedroom. So inside of here, you do have the stainless steel LED ceiling fan. And right here, if you notice, I mean, you can easily put a queen size bed in here, 2 nightstands without compromising any space. As you can see, we do have the built-in desk, or not built-in desk, but the desk itself, as well as a nightstand, and you definitely have plenty of room. If you were to add, let's say, a dresser, you might be able to put it over here without compromising much space, but really just depends. I'd probably put it over there if you were to have just another nightstand over there. Right here, you are going to have your walk-in closet. And the one thing I really love about this is that you do have higher ceilings. It really doesn't feel tiny inside of here. And a lot of folks absolutely love one-story properties. So really depending on your personal needs, if you do have the kiddos that are going to be living with you, that's going to make a determination as far as if you choose a 1-story or a 2-story. So right here, you are going to have this beautiful shower surround with this stainless steel shower head. You got your shower tub combo. You have quartz countertops, the white cabinetry with the stainless steel hardware, and of course the black lighting fixture. Obviously the mirror frame would look fantastic, but no big deal. And inside of here, you are going to have the second bedroom adjacent from the first one that we've seen. So very similar in size. You have the 2 nightstands, queen size bed, and inside of here, you can see this dresser right here. So you still have a little bit of walk room. It's not overly massive, but you know, being for a property that's 3,200 square feet, I think it definitely does a great job of fitting the furniture inside of here. Sometimes we see other properties that are over 4,000 square feet, 5,000 square feet, and you really can't make a comparison as far as the room sizes to those. But inside of here, you are going to have a walk-in closet. And throughout the property, you have this wood-like tile, which is fantastic, feels amazing, feels extremely durable. And then continuing along on top, you do have the shiplap with the chandelier coming down still in the foyer. And then right there to the right, you would have your kitchen with the high bar with the island as well. But we'll go ahead and start in the great room and then we'll continue to the kitchen. So inside of the great room, you are gonna have the raised ceilings with the oversized LED ceiling fan. You're gonna have the stone over here, floor to ceiling in the fireplace, it's an electric fireplace. And look at the amount of natural light that extends in here. So of course you do have these large curtains, which you could easily, you remove those if you wanted to, but a lot of folks would add the large curtains to just keep it open depending on what time of day it is. So you definitely have plenty of space inside of here. I may get some folks that really don't like the off-center fireplace, but of course I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if it's something where you do want the fireplace right there dead in the center, we could see about your options that are available. So right here, you are gonna have your breakfast nook, or you can utilize this as an informal dining room. You have these beautiful lighting fixtures right over your table, but most folks would just use this as a breakfast nook. So I'll make sure to open every single door. Inside of here, you're gonna have your utility room. So you definitely have plenty of space. As you can see, we have our printer, we got our filing cabinet, a nice little mini fridge over here, but you can easily fit a nice oversized washer and dryer in here. Of course, you have your built-in shelving as well, or you can substitute those for built-in cabinetry depending on your personal preference. So inside of here, look how much light that you have that enters inside of here. Like I said, you can easily replace those with recessed lighting if you wanted to, but this high bar extends all the way around. You have quartz countertops. You have this oversized island right here with all the cabinetry as well. And I love that you have the two separate tone. You have the gray cabinetry on the island plus the white cabinetry, but you continue with the black hardware. Inside of here, you do have the wooden range hood. You got the cabinet crowns on top to add that nice elegance. Also, you have a 4-burner stovetop right here. A lot of folks prefer that 5-burner or maybe a 5-burner with a griddle. Really just depends. And then let me go ahead and open up the cabinet so that way you can see the storage space that we have in the cabinetry. And then same thing with the drawers. So you have oversized drawers right here as well. Beautiful backsplash that complements the quartz countertops, in my opinion. Of course, you have the stainless steel built-in oven as well as microwave, and you can easily add a nice size refrigerator right here. Right here to the left, you do have your coffee bar. That would be the sales office, but if it's an actual inventory home or one that you're having built, that would be where your garage would be. And then let's go ahead and continue along. We'll go through here. I love this sliding barn door right here going into your media room, or you could utilize this as a game room. Really just depends on your personal preference. You have large size windows inside of here, letting in more natural light. You know how I feel about inside of the media rooms having the windows, just because, you know, you really, if you're watching Top Gun or you're watching Independence Day, I mean, you gotta have all the lights off just to kind of add that theater-like feel. You know, can you imagine going inside the theater room or, you know, the movies, and then they have all these windows in there, and I don't know if it'll be a good look. Really, I mean, personal preference. Obviously, you can let me know, but let's go ahead and go to the primary bedroom. Wow. Absolutely amazing. It looks like we have 13-foot ceilings inside of here. You have these large windows as well. You can easily add in just the large oversized windows. If it's something where you were to build, you could just have one solid pane for 3 different sections. Really just depends, but I think they did a great job. Look at this brick-like accent wall. Wow, painted brick accent wall, which is fantastic. Look at the amount of space that you have inside of here. 2 nightstands, a king-size bed, a large dresser with a mirror, and you still have a little sitting area right here. So inside of here, I always love when I see the bay windows, but you really don't need the bay windows inside of here because you have plenty of space. Let me do one more pan so that way I don't miss anything. Wow, fantastic, folks. Really can't get much better than that. Let's continue along. And if you are a returning viewer, folks, welcome back. Always great to have you. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I am a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single week from folks looking to make a move out to Texas. I have an appointment today with someone that's moving out to Austin. So if it's something where you're moving to Texas, regardless if it's Austin, Lubbock, Dallas, San Antonio, El Paso, you name it, we'll definitely get you taken care of. Reach out to the information below, schedule a call. We'll get you taken care of and connect you to the right local expert. Last thing, consider hitting that subscribe button. I'd love for you to become a part of the Rankin family. And that way you don't miss a video every week. Okay, so inside of here, me personally, Perry Homes is known for this. I know they have the tile in the exterior, but I love freestanding tubs. I need to talk to whoever's in charge at Perry Homes about that to see if we could add that, but I'd love to hear your thoughts about that one. Of course, inside of here, you do have your walk-in shower with the tile-like shower surround. You got your shower bench. You don't have a shower niche, but it's okay. And then this is gonna be your walk-in closet. So it's a decent amount of space inside of here. Hopefully, if it's a his and her that's living here or more than one person that's gonna be using this closet, then we may need to find out what the best section is. That's probably gonna be someone that doesn't have a lot of clothes, and this will be for the one that does. But you do have the quartz countertops that extends in here. The one thing I really love is that we have this large mirror right here. I love the large mirror that continues along right here. Instead of, we've seen another one with Highland that was 3 separate mirrors. I wasn't a big fan about that, but really personal preference. Yeah, there's vanity area in the middle, which is fantastic. I get a lot of folks that reach out that really love the vanity area that has its own separate section, like their own little room. So really just depends on your personal preference. But that was the entire first level right there. So this was a 4-bedroom property. And then let's go ahead and look at this last one right here. So this will be the next and final bedroom. Inside of here, you do have a decent amount of space. Actually, a lot more space than the other two, the first ones that we've seen, the first two. So this will be perfect for the mother-in-law or a guest, whoever's, because most times if you're going to have those two rooms that are adjacent to one another right there in the front, those are probably going to be, the kiddos or whoever else is living with you. But this will be perfect for the guest bedroom. And then a lot of times I do get comments as far as people not really liking the guest bedroom immediately when you do walk in. So if this is the case, this will be a perfect space for you. It has this full bathroom that's attached to it, the brick-like shower surround, stainless steel shower heads. And I'm a big fan of that. It's 0 threshold, but that's not the 0 threshold shower, but it's okay. Right inside of here, you do have the black lighting fixtures again, gray cabinetry with the black hardware, and then a full-size walk-in closet. So yeah, perfect for a guest room. Really not much else you would need inside of this one, to be frank. You got this nice chandelier right over the bed, and you easily can put a dresser inside of here if you wanted to. So you definitely have plenty of space, but as soon as the guests would walk out, this is what they would be greeted with. Can't get much better than that. And then right here, you can easily substitute this for the sliders if you wanted to. This quick access door is not too bad, but compared to the sliders, once you see those, you really can't go back. But you have dual fans inside of here. You have the raised covered backyard patio, and it's extended, if you notice, inside of here. And this is one of the largest products for Perry Homes in this community, in Amira. And now if it's something where you need more lot size, I mean, because this is a 60-foot lot, but if you need something like a 70, 80, 90, even 100-foot lot size, then you know there's other communities that may accommodate your needs. But this one's right here off of 99. If you were to look on the map, and that, folks, is the lovely Perry Homes. All right, Rankin family. So that was Perry Homes right here in Amira. Like I said, this is the model house. So if it's something where you love this floor plan, but you want to build it in another location, obviously you can reach out to the information below, book a call, we'll get you taken care of. And like I said, regardless if you're thinking about making a move to Austin, Houston, San Antonio, Dallas, Lubbock, El Paso, Corpus Christi, or anywhere in between, you can reach out to the information below. We'll get you connected to the right local expert. And of course, like this video, subscribe if you found value, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.